Yo voy a resolver esto.
Okay, you guys, so here we go, a quick update of the market. I haven't been able to update much. So here we go. I'm just gonna go through everything I know. This is mostly FX market. So euro dollar, as you can see, we had the highest at the 110.70, 110.72, but the market is still holding for the buyer. So we had announcements on Saturday, and the market is actually into the buyers still. And I have to like really considering the opening of the European market tomorrow to see how this is going to go. I really don't trust the sellers so much yet. So I'm just going to wait for tomorrow London opening hours. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go short from 109.70 down to 109.60, and then at 109.50 I'm going to wait for the buyer. So I'm going to be shorting, but only if I'm below 109.70. Like I said, I don't really trust the sellers here as much. So I'm just going to wait tomorrow to see what happens. So like I said, we had announcements on Saturday with the European Central Bank, and also Waller. We had information from him. Let me go for the 15 minutes here. So if I don't get through the lows tomorrow, Monday, I'm going to wait on the buyers. So I'm going to start buying at 110. I'm going to be scalping all the way up to 110.30. And then once on 110.30, I'm going to go buy again up to 110.50. Okay, so like I said, I can't really decide on Asia markets. I'll wait for London. All right, so below the lowest of Friday, 970 short, and about 110 long. That's on the euro dollar. For the pound dollar, the situation is quite similar. We're still about 124, so the market is holding on the pound, and I'm just gonna go for the buyers, even if it goes down for London, so that will be below 23.90, might go to 23.80, 123.70, but yet I wouldn't consider short strategies on the pound, because if I show you on the price activity, you're going to see that there's tons of buyers in the area. So, this is very exceptional, but the market is really holding about 24 and 23.80. So I'll bet on the buyers. But like I said, when I wait tomorrow, London opening hours. Dollar Canadian is actually quite mixed. I don't think the market is trying to hold on the dollar Canadian so much, so I'm just gonna wait on the seller. Below 360 down to 350, extension 330, and then once I'm here, I'm gonna stop shorting and wait. And if tomorrow I have the buyers, I want to wait for the confirmation above the 134 to see if I go for the buyer. Scalping all the way up to 134.30. But I have to see tomorrow how this goes. I'm not gonna buy unless I have the price confirmed above the 134. How about commodities, gold and silver? Well, we should wait and see if the market's gonna get really out of gold and silver. That looks the case, but we have to wait and see if it's gonna go through. So I'm gonna start shorting gold only below 1995, something like that. And I cannot trust the sellers about 2000 yet. On the contrary, if I see the market pushing towards the high of, let's say, 2008, 2009, I'm just going to go for the buyer to 2015, 2020 again. Okay, so I have to see tomorrow, but looks like the seller is about to get in charge of gold, but it's quite complicated to decide yet, since we have tons of information next week, especially introduction of the European Union and the US. Okay, so we'll see what happens. And also silver, just gonna wait on the seller, but it's not too short yet. I wait for the seller, but not yet. Possibly below 25.20 down to 25.10 and then 25. So we'll see. And that's what we have for now. Hopefully, I'll give you an update tomorrow before the US opening hours. So please take this information carefully, because like I said, I do scalping and this price action, and I have to see how the market opens. And then from that point on, I decide what I'm gonna go for the strategy of the day. All right, so wait for the updates tomorrow morning, especially before the US opening. Alrighty, thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.